Hello guys, so this is my analysis of categorical data homework for week 2. And so starting off, we have the first variable that I chose, which was favorite pizza, and the choices for that was chicken ranch, meat lovers, and supreme. And as you can see here on my screen, this is the raw data bar graph that I created for it. On the y-axis, we have the type of pizza, and on the x-axis, we have the number of people or tally of people who chose that specific pizza. And then I created a relative frequency pie chart in percentages. And as you can see, the overwhelming option or choice that the students in our class chose was chicken ranch. And so my analysis for the data in those graphs is, according to the pie chart, 68.8% of our classmates likes chicken ranch pizza, 12.5% likes meat lovers pizza, um, and 12.5% also likes supreme pizza. And the rest said something other than the given choices of pizza. So there's an equal percentage of students in our class that liked meat lovers pizza and supreme pizza, and the popular choice of pizza is chicken ranch. That was the overwhelming vote. And the next variable that I chose was preferred beverage, and the options for that were carbonated juice or water. So this is the raw data bar graph that I created for that. On the y-axis, we have a preferred beverage, and then on the x-axis, we have the number of people. This is the relative frequency pie chart that I created for it. And as we can see, there was an overwhelming number of people who chose water, which is the blue part of this pie chart. My analysis for those sets of data is that according to the pie chart, 81.3% of our class likes to drink water and only 18.8% of our class likes carbonated drinks. I was surprised that no one said juice, and because of that, the options to be listed were reduced to only 2 options. So originally there was 3 options to choose from, and no one chose juice, and that reduced the options to only water and carbonated drinks. So I was surprised by that. And so next I created a contingency plan um, based on the 2 variables that I had chosen, which were preferred beverages and favorite type of pizza. And so here's the segmented graph of my contingency table. And as you can see, there's for carbonated drinks, for people who chose carbonated drinks, they also chose chicken ranch. Um, and so my analysis of this segmented graph is, I conclude that the graphs are associated because the data from the segmented graph above provides evidence of this. So 100% of students who chose carbonated drinks as their beverage chose chicken ranch pizza. And we can see that here on the right side. While only 61.5% of students who chose water as their beverage chose chicken ranch pizza, and that's here on the left side. The graphs look a bit different, as you can see. So they are not independent, meaning they might or possibly have some kind of effect on each other and are therefore associated. Thank you. That is my homework, week 2 homework on my analysis of categorical data.